Good morning, boys and girls. I also have 4 extra words for you. The first one is evasive. The suspect was being evasive with his answers. The first word is evasive. The second word is fickle. He was fickle. He changed his friends regularly. The second word is fickle. The third word is cynical. With a cynical outlook, he doesn't trust anyone. The third word is cynical. The fourth word is impertinent. He was always asking impertinent questions. The fourth word is impertinent. And that completes your additional spelling words for the week. Please email me your scores if a parent or guardian marks them, or send your words to me and I will mark them and send your scores back to you. Have a lovely weekend.